integration in logical learning.
Evolution Presents Mathematics Topic Logarithm by Anupam Das. The logarithm is the inverse function to exponentiation. That means the logarithm of a given number x is the exponent to which another fixed number, the base b, must be raised to produce that number x. In the simplest case, the logarithm counts the number of occurrences of the same factor in repeated multiplication. Why it is used? Suppose the equation 2 to the power x equals to 8. Then we can write this 8 like 2 to the power 3. So x equals to 3. If 2 to the power x equals to 3, then what is the value of x? The solution is x equals to log 3 base 2. That is the basic use of log or logarithm. If x equals to a to the power n, then equivalently log x base a equals to n. Example: if log 27 base 3 equals to 3, then the equivalent statement using powers is 3 to the power 3 equals to 27. Now let's go through some basic formulas. Product formula: log mn base b equals to log m base b plus log n base b. For example, log 9x base 3 equals to log 9 base 3 plus log x base 3. The quotient formula: log m by n base b equals to log m base b minus log n base b. For example, log 4 by 5 base 1 by 4 equals to log 4 base 1 by 4 minus log 5 base 1 by 4. The power formula: log m to the power 5 base b equals to p into log m base b. For example, log 8 to the power x base 2 equals to x into log 8 base 2. The equality formula: if log m base b equals to log n base b, then we can write m equals to n. For example, log 3x minus 4 base 8 equals to log 5x plus 2 base 8. So we can write 3x minus 4 equals to 5x plus 2. By default, base of any logarithmic function of numerical value is 10. By default, base of any logarithmic function of text value is e. If the base and number is same, then the result would be 1. For example, here log 10 base 10, where the number and the base is same, so the value will be 1. Log a base a, the result would be 1. Value of log 1 equals to 0. Log b base a equals to 1 by log a base b. Log b base a equals to log b by log a. 10 to the power log 5 equals to 5. Here are some examples. Number 1. Solve log 64 base 2. Now we know 2 to the power 6 equals to 64 is the exponent value and log 64 base 2 equals to 6. What is the value of log 100 base 10? In this case, 10 to the power 2 yields you 100. So 2 is the exponent value and the value of log 100 base 10 equals to 2. In the third question, we can use the additional rule. Log 4 base 3 plus log 7 base 3 equals to, we can write log 4 into 7 base 3. So log 28 base 3, thus x equals to 28. Let's go to the next question, number 4. Log 8 base 2 equals to x. Log 8 base 2 equals to x. We can write 2 to the power x equals to 8. But 8 equals to 2 to the power 3. So I can equate powers of 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 3. By comparing the both sides, we can write x equals to 3. In number 5 question, solve log x base 2 plus log x minus 2 base 2 equals to 3. Log x base 2 plus log x minus 2 base 2 equals to 3. So we can write log x into x minus 2 base 2 equals to 3. So log x square minus 2x base 2 equals to 3. Now the equation is arranged in a useful way. At this point, I can use the relationship to convert the log form of the equation to the corresponding exponential form, and then I can solve the result. Log x square minus 2x base 2 equals to 3. So we can write 2 to the power 3 equals to x square minus 2x. Now 8 equals to x square minus 2x, and by solving it we can get x equals to 4 and minus 2. But if x equals to minus 2, then log x base 2 from the original logarithmic equation will have a negative number for its argument, as will the term log x minus 2 base 2. Since logs cannot have 0 or negative arguments, then the solution to the original equation cannot be x equals to minus 2. Then the answer will be x equals to 4. In the question number 6, we can see log x square base 2 equals to log x base 2 whole square. Log x square base 2 equals to log x base 2 log x base 2. Then I will apply the log rule to move the squared from inside the log on the left hand side of the equation, taking it out in front of that log as a multiplier. Now 2 log x base 2 equals to log x base 2 into log x base 2. Then I will move that term from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side. Now the equation will be 0 equals to log x base 2 into log x base 2 minus 2 into log x base 2. This equation may look bad, but take a close look. It's nothing more than a factoring exercise at this point. So I will factor and then I will solve the factors by using the relationship. 0 equals to log x base 2 into log x base 2 minus 2. So now 2 to the power 0 equals to x, or log x base 2 equals to 2. 1 equals to x, or 2 to the power 2 equals to x. 1 equals to x, or x equals to 4. So the solution is x equals to 1 and 4. Hopefully this session will be helpful to you. Thank you.